Hi everyone, my name is Raymond. Hope you are doing well. In this video, I would like to talk about how to make money from Zazzle without making designs. And this question is frequently asked from people either who are working on Zazzle.com or those who are working on other print-on-demand platforms like Redbubble, Teespring, TeePublic, and so on. And the only answer of this question is you can promote other artists' works, or in simple words, you can act as an affiliate of Zazzle.com. And if you want to know how to do that, or what's about earnings of being an affiliate of Zazzle, and all other things about that are what I would talk about in this video. So if you want to know how to make an extra money in your print-on-demand business, please keep watching this video and don't skip any part of it, because I am sure this video has a great value for you. But before I dive into today's topic, I would appreciate if you like this video and subscribe now to my channel for more tips and tricks in making money online in many fields like print on demand, affiliate marketing, and others. And now let's go together to Zazzle.com. And now we are on Zazzle.com. And if you are already working on Zazzle, you will get to know an extra way to get money through your work on Zazzle. Or if you are a newbie here, first you have to create a free account here on Zazzle, okay? And it is a piece of cake step. So I will create a free account here on Zazzle and I will come back just in a few seconds. Okay, and after making a free account on Zazzle.com, just go to your profile picture like this, click over it, and we will go to this option of my account, okay? Click over it, super easy. And here you will find three sections. My account, which includes my profile, collections, likes, and so on. And these parameters are very important for you if you are a Zazzle designer, okay? But if you want to work as an affiliate of Zazzle, you will go to the next section here, associates, okay? Click over it. And here you can join the Zazzle Associates program, and it's like Amazon Associates program, okay? And here in this program, you can get 15% commission on sales, okay? Access to banners, link building guides, and more. Promote any product of Zazzle, okay? Okay, so you can check this, yes, and enroll me. Click over it. And here you will get an ID, a unique ID as associate, this ID, okay? And here you can promote any product on Zazzle.com like t-shirts, hoodies, stickers, greeting cards, any home decor item, and so on, or stores, collections, by adding your unique ID at the end of the URL of the store or product, and so on, okay? Okay, it is very, very easy, okay? So we can try that. Like if you want to promote a t-shirt for Christmas t-shirt as an example. So you can select any of these beautiful t-shirts which is about Christmas, like this one, okay? Click over it. And here you can promote your product, this product, as an affiliate of Zazzle.com and get commission, okay? Okay, and here a good question comes up: how to add my unique ID at the end of the URL of product I want to promote? The answer is you don't need to do that, because your unique ID will be automatically added at the end of the product you want to promote. I will give you an example. This product, this t-shirt with this awesome design, if you want to promote this t-shirt on social media like Pinterest, by email, Facebook, Twitter, you have to get the link of this t-shirt, okay? We can just click over this as an example. Here you will find your ID here at the end of the URL of this t-shirt, okay? As you see. And the same in the social media platforms like email, Pinterest, Facebook, Twitter, and so on, okay? Okay. And the same, you can just promote any store, any collection you want and you don't need to add your ID at the end of the URL. It will automatically exist there. And here you can copy this link of this t-shirt to promote it in social media. And if someone would purchase this t-shirt from your promotion, you will get 15% of its price as your commission. And here on Zazzle you can promote any product you want, like stickers, greeting cards, hoodies, t-shirts, clocks, shower curtains, bath mats, pillows, and so on. Okay. And honestly, if you want to make the best of this feature on Zazzle as an affiliate, you can use the trends you find on Redbubble or Merch Amazon. And here on Zazzle, you can take these products that have the designs which are trending on the other platforms, and you can promote these products on social media to make an extra income from print-on-demand business. And here we reach the end of the video. Thank you for watching, and if you have any question, you can leave it in the comment section. See you in the next video, and goodbye.